Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be shooting from home because outside it is absolutely hot. With that being said guys, today we're going to be talking about the top 3 mods that make the biggest difference in your G35. Now biggest difference is kind of vague, so difference I just mean makes either the car faster, you can either hear the mod and it just brings you a smile to your face, anything that whenever you install the mod you can automatically hear it, smell it, feel it, whatever it is, it just makes a difference. There's a ton of mods that make a difference in your car, so this was really difficult, but I want you guys, I'm gonna give you guys my top 3, but I want you guys to go down in the comment section below. Even if you don't have a G35, I want you to name your top 3 mods that you thought made the biggest difference in your car, and hopefully it helps out other people as well. And also we're trying to reach 30,000 subscribers by the end of this year, so you guys could be a darling and help us out. I'd really appreciate it. Before we go ahead and start today's video though, I do want to go ahead and do today's shout out. If you want a chance to get shouted out, all you gotta do is comment down below. And today's shout out goes to Ricky Jack, is hopefully I said your name right. I can really see you pushing out content in order to get 30,000 subs. Keep grinding. Thank you very much brother for the support. We only live once, can't be afraid of a little hard work, right? With that being said, let's go ahead and begin this video, and then let me know what you guys thought in the comment section down below. For the sake of this video, I am going to be excluding any boosting, forced induction kind of stuff, turbos and superchargers, because although they probably make the biggest difference in your car, they're quite expensive, and it requires not only that part, it requires a lot of other parts that you have to do, including a tune, to get to that point where it makes a difference. So it's just a lot of more stuff, so we're talking about a single mod. We're gonna go ahead and start off this list with none other than a Catback Exhaust. Luckily I can show you guys because mine is currently off because I'm in the mutable process of a state ref here in California. If you guys don't live in California, you guys don't have to worry about that stuff because you guys are blessed with a beautiful state. Regardless, this right here, for example, is a Z1 Catback single exit exhaust. So getting a bigger diameter Catback exhaust will help your car blow the exhaust gases a lot faster than your stock ones because it is a bigger tube. But for obvious reasons, one of the biggest difference that you will get when you install a Catback exhaust is the car's or the engine's sound. If you guys don't know, I'm going through a midlife crisis right now because I have the stock exhaust, and every time I turn on the car, it sounds like this. I can almost guarantee you that a stock Prius sounds louder than my car right now. So why is this mod a big difference? Besides giving you more flow of the exhaust gases and giving you more horsepower, automatically out the box, as soon as you install it, you hear a beautiful note off your car, and you won't be in this midlife crisis that I'm going through right now. Once you get in your car, I can bet you $50 you're gonna be smiling off the garage, man, riding every single day, enjoying your brand new exhaust because it will sound so good. You won't even need music. All you will need is your windows rolled down and that beautiful exhaust sound sounding outside your car. Trust me, it's one of the biggest differences. I remember it when I got my muffler delete. I remember when I got my second muffler delete, and when I officially got my Catback exhaust, it made the biggest difference. It made me enjoy the car 10 times more. The second mod that's on my list that I want to talk to you guys about are none other than sway bars. You see that red tube right there? That's the front sway bar, and I don't know if you can see a glimpse of that red bar in the back. That's a rear sway bar. If you had difficulty seeing that sway bar, don't worry, I'm gonna go ahead and paste a picture right here. That's what a sway bar kit front and back looks like. In my example, I got the Hodgkit sway bar kit, and that ran me around $430. There are other brands such as Stillin, ABOG, H&R sway bars. There's a lot of different sway bars out there. You guys are probably asking, what is a sway bar? What does it do, and why is it a big difference? The difference between the stock one and the aftermarket one is that the aftermarket sway bar is a lot bigger and thicker, which means it's harder to bend. You guys do know when you're driving and you take a sharp turn and then your body rolls this way when you take a right, then your body rolls this way when you take a left. Well, that sway bar is essentially supposed to minimize that effect. Kind of like a go-kart feeling, if that makes sense. Now, this is a tricky one because once you install it, you automatically get those effects, right? But thing is, when you're driving out in the street, if you're dealing your G35, you're probably not doing any sharp turns, anything like that. So you're probably probably not feeling the effect too much. But let me tell you what, I took this G35 to the canyon roads over there close to my house, and oh my god, I cannot tell you how fun it was to feel the effect of those sway bars. I was taking turns like crazy at high speeds. It was one of the most fun and scary things in my life, but the experience was absolutely incredible. Here's a small clip of that happening right now. I'm telling you guys, these sway bars make your G35 hug those corners really good. One of the best mods that I've installed to this day. Alright guys, and last but not least, the third mod that I actually don't have installed in my car, but I had it installed in my other car, and I would really recommend that you guys buy because it's just a really awesome mod. And that would be a set of coilovers. In my old automatic G35, I had a set of True Heart pair coilovers. Now you can automatically feel, you can see the difference too, because it lowers your car, and even though you have stock wheels, once your car is lowered, it gives you a visually pleasing look of your car. So this is why this mod is definitely have to be in my top 3 for the biggest difference in your car. It also gives you a lower center of gravity, so it gives you a more sense of safety when you're in the car, because you can kind of maneuver around a little bit better when you have a set of coils. Now there are many different brands out there. I got True Hearts, but one of the best ones, best bang for your buck, are BC coils. And here I want to show you guys the difference here, okay? You guys see the gap. It's big. Let's show you the backside. Yeah, this is stock height right here. That's pretty big. I show you guys right there. That's how the car looks. It looks decent, but yeah, that wheel gap is looking a bit ugly. Now let me show you the difference with coils. And now check that out. Absolutely no wheel gap no more. And if you can see the whole car, it just looks lower to the ground. It gives it a better look, and like I said, a lower center of gravity. That being said, folks, those were my top 3s mods that I think make the biggest difference in your car. You got a pair of coils that gives you that visually pleasing look. It also gives you that lower center of gravity. You have a little bit better suspension now. You got mod number 2, a pair of sway bars. Man, those turns, I'm telling you, if you take your car to the track or to the mountains and you just love driving corners and things, trust me, one of the best mods you can ever get. The car drives amazing. And then mod number 1, the exhaust. For obvious reasons, we all want to hear our cars. We love loud cars, and we love that beautiful sound that our car makes. So without further ado, those were my top 3. Let me know what your top 3. There's a lot of mods out there, man. It's really hard to make a list, but let me know what you guys think. I also do want to send a special shout out to all of my people from TikTok. Y'all showed me a lot of love on my recent posts. But without further ado, I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you guys for all the support. We're trying to reach 30,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So thank you guys so much for helping me make that possible. I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you guys for all the support. Love you guys. Be safe. Be distinct. Peace.